how to create an out-of-office reply in Gmail. So this can be really useful if you're going on vacation or you're going to be out of the office. Then we can go and set up an automated reply in order to let people know. Now you can do this on both computer and mobile. The steps are going to be somewhat similar. So just go and click on the settings icon from the top right hand side and then press see all settings. You then need to scroll right down to the bottom of this page and you'll see we have the option for vacation responder. Now by default this will be set to off, so we're just going to switch it on like so, and then you'll need to select the first day that you're going to be out the office. So I'm just going to select starting from today. You can then choose whether you want to set an end date for the vacation, or alternatively you can just leave this running until you decide to turn it off. Now I'm going to go and set my end date manually, and I'm going to set mine for 2 weeks time. You can then go and create a subject for your email, so this is going to be the title that people will receive when they get this reply. So you can go and type something in like currently out of office, and then you can come down to the subject line. So from here you can go and type something out along the lines of I'm currently out of the office until a specific date. You can leave a phone number so people can still contact you in an emergency, and then I'm just going to sign this off with my name. Now you also have some tools here to go and customize the message as well. So you can go in, make things bold and italics just as you would a regular email. You can also attach an image if you click on the insert image button, and maybe you want to go and add an email signature or something like that. You'll then have the option to only send a response to people in my contacts. Now this is for when you only want to send this automated reply to people you've already interacted with on Gmail. Now I like to leave this option unchecked, but if you prefer to have this email only sent to people that have contacted you previously or people that you've added to your contacts, then you can go ahead and check this, and then finally we just need to press save changes. So once this has been saved, you'll now see this yellow banner at the top of your Gmail account, and this just indicates that the current out of office is turned on and enabled. If you want to go and disable this, you can just press end now at the top here, and that's going to turn off the vacation mode. So that's it guys, let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.